welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Iyana, and you want to go ahead, press that subscribe button and that notification bell next to it so you will not miss any videos from me. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into today's video. As y'all can see, we are in a different setting today, okay? So I'm going to be doing and showing you guys my current nighttime skincare routine, what I've been doing at night, because my skin has been haywire. If you have been following me for the past few months, right now we are in our hair growth challenge here on this channel. I was taking hair vitamins. I had to stop it because my skin was not liking it. I don't know if I was having an allergic reaction to it or my skin and the biotin. I know there's biotin in there and blah blah blah, but my skin wasn't having it. This is my current state of my skin, which I am so frustrated about. I've been frustrated about it for probably like the past 3 weeks, 4 weeks, because it's like every time it's not, I feel like it's not even getting better, but I'm trying to stick to what I need to do so I can get it back. And y'all know my skin be clear. Like, people be like, what foundation you wearing? I'm like, I ain't wearing no foundation. This is my clear skin. And now my skin is acting like, what's going on? So I'm trying to get it back together. So this is the current skincare routine that I've been doing at night to try and help with these acne scar bumps and dark bumps and the new bumps. Like, this one literally just came yesterday. I'm like, ugh. I also want to try and do like a bentonite. I don't have any more bentonite clay. I literally just used it. It's some bentonite clay and some apple cider vinegar, and do a mask just to pull out all the toxins of my skin, because I don't know if the hair vitamins, like, if it's still in my system or not. And that's probably why I'm still having, like, experiencing new bumps, because I don't take any other medicines. Like, I don't take any other medicines. I don't eat crazy. I feel like I eat pretty decent. I'm a pretty healthy person. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. So hopefully in like another month, my skin should be back to normal. Enough of that rambling. I'm about to go ahead and get started with this video on what products I've been using and how I'm using them, my routine and everything like that. So let's get into it. Alright, you guys, so I'm just giving you a better view of how my skin is looking. This is what it is. It's not terrible. It has gotten a little better, but these bumps are getting on my nerves because I know how my skin usually is. So I'm going to be using the Equate Beauty Foaming Cleanser. It's a 2-in-1 cleanser. I usually use the Neutrogena, but my boyfriend picked this one up by accident because the containers look exactly the same. So you might want to get that fixed, but I'm using this since I have this on hand. And then I'm going to go in with my Vanity Planet spin brush. I really like using this. I'm going to be using the one that helps exfoliate. I'm trying to make sure my skin is exfoliated during this process because I am trying to make sure I don't have any acne scars left after these bumps clear up. I have noticed a few. I'm trying to see if they're going to lighten up or go away over time before I get any other products for that. But I'm just going to be using my Vanity Planet spin brush and the Equate Foaming Cleanser for right now. And I make sure to scrub the areas where I really have the bumps going on. The bumps are mainly on the side of my face, which I did notice. So after I rinse that off, I'm going to go in with one of my favorites. This is the Freeman Exfoliating Apple Cider Vinegar Clay Mask. I really like this mask, and I'm going to also be applying it with this silicone applicator that I bought like a month ago. So I really like using this when I apply this mask. But this mask is supposed to help cleanse, scrub, intone, and absorb all the oils and everything. I really like this scrub because it really does leave my face feeling baby smooth every time I use it. And I've been trying to incorporate this on a daily because it is safe to use it on a daily, but I'm not even gonna lie, I don't really use it on a daily, probably 3 times out of the week, but it says it is safe to use daily. But I try and make sure I do this at night because, like I said, I'm trying to make sure I don't have any acne scars or redness going on after these pimples leave, because I need my skin to be back how it was before. So I'm going to use that mask and scrub it in using my fingers after I finish applying it, and then I'm going to let it sit on my face for 10 minutes. After I let it sit on my face for 10 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and rinse it off with some warm water. After I'm done rinsing off my face, I'm going to move on to the next step, which I just started incorporating into my nighttime routine, which I only do at night, is that I started using sheet mask. This one is by K Beauty. It's an aloe and cucumber sheet mask. After I get done washing my face, I make sure to dampen off the water because I don't want to put it on soaking wet like skin. So I'm just using a paper towel right now to wipe off the excess water and the excess scrub if I have any left over. But this sheet mask has green tea in it. It's supposed to help brighten and cool the skin. I did also look up what the benefits of green tea on the skin is supposed to do, because y'all know I love to drink green tea, but I never looked up what it does for the skin. So it is supposed to help with skin redness, skin irritation, and swelling. So I did have some redness going on around the areas where the pimples are. So I really enjoy using the sheet mask. I alternate between this one and another one that I use. Is a 24 karat gold sheet mask. I actually picked these up from Marshalls and TJ Maxx. So I really enjoy using these. I use them at night, so I leave them on for about 15 to 20 minutes. I wipe majority of the product on my face before I actually apply the mask, because it'd be so much product in that package. So I just go ahead and wipe it all over my face before I apply the sheet mask. Once I apply the sheet mask, smooth it on, make sure it's adjusted properly, make sure it's not in my eye, and then I rub the remaining amount of product that's on my hands onto my neck, and I let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, I go ahead and take it off and wipe the remaining product into my skin so it can absorb. I have noticed a difference though while using these masks, is that it does help, you know, reduce the redness. It's not as red, it's not as inflamed looking, and I also am trying to be consistent using it to see if that does help clear up the acne scars and not leave any acne scars behind. So after that, I'm going to go in with my Thayer's facial mist. This is actually witch hazel and it's in the cucumber scent. I usually use my rose water, but I couldn't find it at the TJ Maxx, so I just picked this one up, and I heard Thayer's is a good brand, so I've been using that on my face as well, which really does help keep my face moisturized. This mist is also supposed to help tone and balance the pH in the skin as well, so I've really been enjoying using this mist spray. So after I let that dry down a little bit, I'm gonna check my skin out real quick to see how it's doing, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my facial oil. This is the Argan and Vitamin E oil by Pearl Essence. You guys know I really like Pearl Essence. Oil is supposed to help hydrate, balance, rejuvenate, and revive the skin as well. Vitamin E is also supposed to help with acne scars as well, so I do use this daily. It is safe to use daily. It's not 100% vitamin E oil, because on the back it says it's mainly soybean oil, and then vitamin E oil is like the third thing. So I am using this to help, you know, reduce the redness and also aid in not having acne scars after these pimples are gone. So after I'm done applying the oil, I go in with the Pond's dry skin cream. I actually really like this. I actually picked this up from TJ Maxx about a month ago. It's a really good job with making sure my face is moisturized, because y'all know I'll be struggling with these dry patches, but it does a really good job making sure I'm not flaking. My skin isn't dry. It feels very moisturized as well, so I really enjoy using this. So once I work that product in, making sure I get it everywhere around my face, making sure it's on the areas where I've mainly been breaking out at, so my skin is not dry and flaky. This is all I do, y'all. So I'm going to give you guys a final close-up of my skin after I've already treated it and hydrated it, so you guys can see how it's looking. All right, you guys, so this is my skin after I got done washing it. It's okay. We gonna get it together. We gonna get it back together, okay? So absolutely love how my skin looks after I finish washing it. All right, you guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is my current nighttime skincare routine. Like I said, I'll probably try that bentonite clay with the apple cider vinegar and see if that just go ahead and pull everything to the forefront, because I hate these random breakouts. Let me know down below, what is your current nighttime skincare routine? Do you do anything different from the daytime to the nighttime? Let me know all those details down below in the comment section. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share. Sharing is caring, so go ahead and do that. Don't forget, you're beautiful, you're strong, you the best music, and I will see you guys in my next one. name is Iyana LeShea, and I am the creator, the owner, and illustrator for Iyana LeShea Illustrations. I started Iyana LeShea Illustrations back on October 25th, 2019. I create my own illustrations for t-shirts, sweatshirts, wall decor, poster prints, and more things to come when I expand my catalog. I'm not going to tell you yet, but it's a bunch more to come. I aim for my illustrations and my brand to empower, encourage, and inspire our Black community out here, y'all. We really need this. Some deals that I have on my shirts and products on my site right now is if you sign up for the newsletters, you will receive 10% off your first order. And also when you sign up for the newsletter, you'll be in the know about when I launch new products, when I launch new designs, what's new to come, early bird access to the new designs, details on how I came up with a specific design or a specific collection, and you'll also get some exclusive deals on the newsletter. So make sure you go check out my website and my brand at www.iyanalesheaillustrations.com, and I'll see you guys over there rocking with you.